Hey there, I am Darryll, your IT tech specialist, breaking down tech solutions to level up your digital game. In this video, I'll show you how I use ChatGPT to make a small repetitive task much more efficient without replacing the human part. I'll walk you through a simple, real workflow I personally use to turn rough notes into clear professional feedback in just a few minutes. This right here is my Excel sheet. My workflow usually is I have an Excel sheet like this, or I would have rough notes in a book where I write the student name, an area of strength, an area of improvement, and some notes I've noticed about their work. Then I would sit down and try to create student feedback, a good paragraph so that I can present it to the parents. But doing this for each student, making it sound professional, making it sound supportive, making it just sound good and easy to understand for the parents is time consuming and very stressful on the mental side. I'm going to show you a simple way I can use AI to make this process better. Let's go on to Google Chrome, open ChatGPT. I'm just going to use a free account here. You can log in and save your work. The first thing that I do is ask ChatGPT to create a clear feedback structure. I'm not asking it to write feedback yet. I'm just defining the format. I have a prompt here for you. I wrote it down in my notes. This is the prompt. I can leave it in the description. You can see it. The prompt here is create a short professional feedback structure. You can read it. So I'm going to give ChatGPT this prompt so that it can create a structure for our feedback. Paste it in here. All right, our structure has been created. So I'm now going to go back to my notes and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create the feedback for each of these students using this, my handwritten work about the student's strength, area of improvement, and lecture notes. So I'm going to use my idea of what the student strengths are, the area of improvement, and what they need to, and what my lecture notes are on their work. And then the AI is just going to make it more presentable. That's the part that's time consuming for me. All right, here's the empty prompt. It says using the feedback structure that you created, write feedback for this student. And then I'm going to give it data about the student name, the strength, and whatnot. So let's start with Mary Peary here. We're going to get these strengths. The strength is clear understanding of the topic. The area of improvement is weak introduction. And then the lecture notes are need strong opening paragraph. So I'm going to paste those into here. And when I do that, I'm going to have a prompt like this, which I'm now going to give ChatGPT to now give me a feedback for this student. So let's go ahead and copy this. And then now we're going to paste it here. ChatGPT is now going to create for me the feedback. So here's the feedback. You can see Mary Peary, your assignment demonstrates a clear understanding of the topic. You engage confidently with the subject matter, showing that you have grasped the area of improvement. One area that would benefit from further development in the introduction, the opening paragraph, currently weak. So you can see that it has done this in a very quick way. And I can just paste that and give the feedback to the parents. Yeah, so notice that I am making the academic decision. The strengths and the weaknesses come from me. ChatGPT is only improving clarity and tone. So for the next student, I'm going to reuse the same prompt and only change the student details. Okay, so I'm going to go and copy my prompt for the next student. This is John Banda. You can see the details for John Banda here. Good use of examples, poor referencing, APA. So we're going to now paste that same prompt into ChatGPT here. Just like that, we have a process. And we can keep doing this for the next student and the next student and the next student. So what used to take about 15 minutes per student now takes roughly 3 to 5 minutes. The feedback is clearer, more consistent, and still fully under my control. So if anything, here is a key takeaway for this video. I am not using ChatGPT to replace my role. I'm using it to improve repetition so I can focus on quality and judgment. I'm Darryll, your IT tech specialist, breaking down practical tech solutions to help you work smarter.